Hey guys, Nicole from Spokane. If you're towing with a Kia Sorento, you have to have trailer wiring. It is required by law. Let's show you how easy Kia made this for us. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. Okay guys, Kia made this so easy for us because they've already got a trailer wiring harness on the driver's side underneath the underbody panel. To remove the underbody panel, we're going to take out 5 push pins. One here, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one is located behind the wheel well, and 2 plastic nuts, one here and one here. All right, so we're going to remove the push pins. I'm going to use a flat head to do so. Okay, we're going to use a 14mm socket to remove the plastic nuts. We're going to set this aside and reinstall it later. Now that the panel is gone, we have access to the 2 tow harness plugs. Let's go ahead and start by taking the caps off. On the first one, the tab is right here at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and press it and remove. Okay, the second one's a little tricky. It's right in the back. We're going to press and pull. Okay guys, our caps are off. Now we're ready to install our 4-flat harness. So we're going to go ahead and open up our fuse holder and put our provided 15-amp fuse into the holder. All right, so we're going to take our 4-flat and we're going to go through the bumper support and down to the receiver. Now that we got our 4-flat into the center of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and make this look really professional by applying a 4-flat bracket to the bumper. Using the bracket as a template, we're going to drill a 3/16 hole. And repeat for the last mounting hole. We're going to go ahead and tighten our hardware using a 3/8 socket. Let's go ahead and put our 4-flat through our bracket. Okay, so it's really important to clean up all of your wires. We're going to use some zip ties to zip tie it all up. Everything's in place. Now let's go ahead and put our underbody panel back into place. We're going to go ahead and reinstall our push pins. Okay guys, that was really easy. Our wiring's all good, ready to go. Thank you for watching. I'm Nicole from Spokane. If you guys need a hitch, come see us. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.